issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Walworth County in southeastern Wisconsin, Rock County in south-central Wisconsin, until 9:15 p.m. At 8:47 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Roscoe, moving northeast at 70 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Janesville, Beloit, Whitewater, Delavan, Milton, Edgerton, Clinton, Sharon, Darien, Richmond, LaGrange, Tiffany, Tibbetts, Allens Grove, Millard, Avalon, Afton, Shapir, Emerald Grove, and Johnstown Center. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until midnight for south-central and southeastern Wisconsin. The severe